Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open command prompt in administrator mode, since most of the issues will arise if you guys have like the internal arguments are not recognized, or the code that you have entered is not recognized internally, some error like that. So to fix it, you're just going to launch command prompt in administrator mode. So you can search here CND, and then you can click on run as administrator, or right click on it and click on run as administrator, click on yes. And now if you enter the command, it should work. And make sure to check whether it's in administrator mode. You can check here, it will say administrator : command prompt. And the second way is to check here, it will say C Windows System 32. If it's not in administrator mode, your normal username will appear here. So just close this, just open CMD in normal mode. You can see that my user account, local account, is here and it's not in administrator mode. So that's all for this video, guys. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put it in the comments below. And yeah, thanks for watching, folks.